thrown back, blown away that something so simple as straws could become such an innovation to help our students lean further into STEAM. And then to find out that not only is there the building component that you may use for your lower elementary students, but they had the opportunity to learn robotics and coding through the use of that second resource. We did order both for our school system just to provide our students with a greater opportunity. I met her at the technology conference. We ended up having a video conference. And again, like I was wowed when she went through and showed me the ease of usage and how straws, the simple straws, can be used to really enhance student understanding. She was the one that came forward and said, how can we make it so that we are a direct vendor? Sent her the packet to fill out, got that sent up to our purchasing department, and the rest is history. She was just very communicative and, like I said, very, very diligent about making sure that our students had that opportunity to use Strawbees to engage into our STEAM curriculum. So it's been a great relationship. We have had so many teachers now come and say, oh my gosh, like I really love it. The kids love it. And that's my ultimate goal. I work to make life easier for the teachers and learning more attainable for the student. And, when the students know that the Strawbees are coming out, like there's excitement, it's fun, but they're learning. Even if a child is a visual learner, well, that speaks to that as well. But if you have your auditory learner, I feel like having the opportunity to do or see it done enhances every type of learning profile. If you wanted to let the students go on their own, you don't have to worry about is it damaged or, if we lost one, okay, that's fine. We have another one. It's easy to replace. And I love I love the affordability of the Strawbees material, and I love the portability of it. This isn't some heavy situation that you have to transport from place to place. The teachers were able to just put these things in their cars from our in-person professional development and then get them into their classroom. And they were so excited to get it. It was like Christmas. They all walk out with these boxes. We do have other materials, and I'm looking at one now, I won't name, but we have to have that delivered because it's so heavy in so many parts and so massive. And not that it isn't effective, but the cost for that one thing I'm looking at, it's pretty steep. So like I said, pricing, transport, the ability to transport it, and then just the usability of it for our students. I think that it makes more sense to keep things simple. Well, if we don't add the A back in or add the A, then we are leaving some students out because there are students that are not STEM focused, but there are artsy students, so we can use the arts to bring in that STEM focus. And Strawbees helps us touch everything. They have to understand those measurements, the physical science of it. You have your colors and the creativity, and so the engineering. Everything is there, and then you add the coding component, and then we have our technology. And so Strawbees is literally like one of the best products to utilize when you're looking at trying to implement STEAM across an entire school district. And I will add that we do have a class in middle school that falls under our CTAE department, and it's a new class for that particular school. And so while they were getting funding together in a purchase list, I had extra Strawbees kits. So I told the teacher, here, this has a robotics component. Why don't you utilize this as you're working to, build your students up? So not only do we have it in our STEM exploratory classes, science classes, but we also have it in our CTAE classes through that robotics class. One, I would say yes, get it. Two, I would really champion them on the idea that it allows students to engage in so many different content areas while doing this one thing. The research shows that when a content is created and taught in an interdisciplinary format, that students tend to have that opportunity at greater academic achievement. And so that's what we all want. I would really push that. Like, this is one way to keep your students' hands and minds busy towards academic achievement. I would talk to them again, of course, about the price. Like I said earlier, I think that the pricing is amazing. And I've had teachers say, "Oh, well, I heard about this. Can I get one?" And I'm like, yes. And I am over science and STEAM, but if an ELA teacher came to me, and said they wanted to use it for whatever reason, I'm not going to say no, because our students are getting that chance. I would also talk to them about the levelization of usage. So if I had a kindergarten student at, say, elementary school that's familiar with Strawbees and they're using this and growing by the time they get to middle school, because they've had a chance to participate in the design process, and things of that nature, you put your students at a position that by the time they get into really fourth and fifth grade, they are problem solvers and their critical thinking skills are enhanced because they've had to work through these things. These Strawbees kits are also very good for differentiating instruction, because you may be using multiple things to teach a lesson, and you may be able to put a group of students over here to work on Strawbees while you might be doing direct instruction with these other students, whether it be remediation or enrichment. There's just so many things that you can do with it. And like I said, I would definitely push also the fact that it can be moved around from place to place. You may not keep them in the box per se. You may have a teacher that wants to kind of buy some little plastic organizers, whatever, to organize it. But I also love the storage of it. It's not big and bulky. The item that I'm looking at now is my height. That's why it has to be shipped and delivered. Like, if I want to use that somewhere else, to call maintenance to come and get it. Whereas if I wanted to go and do a Strawbees little presentation, I can throw it in my back seat or even my front seat. I just throw it in the car, and here we are. And again, student creativity. We have to let our students experience beyond the textbook. And so I have had where teachers just say, "All right, I'm challenging you to build," just random. We had a tower challenge at a middle school. There were no instructions. You just had to use Strawbees as your base, build towers. And so I have pictures of students who have different towers and things that they developed. All of them were different, and they worked in groups. And it teaches team building. Like, there's so many things that you can allow your students to experience using straws. Straws. Like, I just straws.